I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking two essentials: your Android version and battery level, so the change completes without interruption. Once done, open Settings and use the search box to find double tap or gestures immediately. That gets you to the right menu faster. Make sure you have screen lock credentials available, because some phones require authentication to change gesture controls. If the search finds nothing, go to System or Accessibility. These locations vary by manufacturer, but lead to the same. Once you're in Gestures or Accessibility, locate Double Tap to Wake or Double Tap Screen and tap it open. You should see a toggle. Switch it on and then accept any permission or confirmation prompts. These let the system wake from touch events. Make sure you test the gesture immediately. Tap twice near the center and edges to verify responsiveness. If options appear for sensitivity or timing, adjust slightly higher if taps feel unregistered, because hardware and software thresholds differ across devices. To finish, lock the screen and verify that a double tap consistently wakes the display. Repeat in different spots to confirm reliability. If it does not work, reboot the phone and test again, because temporary services sometimes block gestures. Make sure Battery Saver is off and uninstall or disable third-party lock or gesture apps that may conflict. If problems persist, check for system updates and recalibrate any sensitivity setting. Contact support or visit a forum only after these steps to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.